So I'm in the Caterpillar Heavy Equipment Technician, and so it's an internship here. We work for CAT and we learn at State Tech. I knew I wanted to go to State Tech. I really liked the school and I knew that they would pay for my internship and everything. On open house is where you go and tour the school. I walked into the Caterpillar program area and they said, hey, listen, I know you want to be a mechanic, because I talked to them about it. And they said, you know, there's a really high demand for heavy equipment technicians right now. They said that this was a great opportunity for me, and I decided that was what I wanted to do. I really like the environment around here. It's pretty diverse, more than you'd think. I like the teachers are really nice. They're really understanding. Anything you want to do is here. You can find anything you want, whether it be aviation or something with computers, or there's everything for everyone here. I wanted to go to MSU, but I decided to come here because A+ from where I'm from will pay for your tuition. After that, all you have to pay is room and board and books. So it's very affordable to come here, and they get you a job right outside of this. I like this path a lot because it's 2 years and it's very efficient.